But our question is why the human form of body is held in the highest esteemed. Bhartirshi, famous for his celebrated work Vairagya Shataka, Shringar Shataka, Niti Shataka, he gives the explanation. He tells, if we consider the four aspects, ahara, food habits, nidra, sleep, bhaya, fear, vishaya bhog, or sense gratification. If we consider these four aspects, human beings are at par with the animals, the birds. But I do not subscribe to the view of Bhartirshi. It's my observation. We are worse than animals and birds in respect of these four aspects.